baie teleurgestel. Maar wie weet, dalk gaan Donald nog die beste president wees, you know?
Die uitlatings wat hy gemaak het en ook die aantuigings en ook ja, waarmee hy betrokke was en waarna hy glo en waarvoor hy staan, maak nie eintlik vir my sin nie en ja, ons sal moet sien wat gebeur van hier af.
I'm from Houston, Texas. My entire family voted for Hillary. I don't understand what happened. There must have been so many people who were secretly going to vote for Trump and weren't saying it. I'm just horrified. As a Hispanic woman, I've been in shock the entire day.
If I was an American, I would have voted for him because of his economic policies. I'm not a fan of Hillary Clinton at all. And also from a sort of comedic perspective, I think America's gonna know what it's like to be a South African in terms of the kinds of politicians that we have here.
Ek dink wat belangrik is vir Amerika is die feit dat daar standvastigheid gaan wees wat betref beginsels en ek praat spesifiek van konstitusionele beginsels.
Ek verkies hom bo Hillary Clinton. Want hy het belangrike goed gesê soos hy sal definitief goed na geldsaake kyk van die land.
I think it takes back what we thought or what we hoped for as Africans, because he has clearly showed that he's really racist, and yeah, I think it's a sad day for all Africans really.
Ek weet nie regtig of dit 'n goeie of 'n slegte ding is nie. Dis definitief iets anders want ons weet nou nie lekker wat gaan gebeur nie. Hy is definitief 'n anderste mens.